What's up, guys? Mike here, Olin's Pressure Washing Entrepreneur Army. Just got a few jobs that we had the last couple days. We did a huge estimate, big five figure. That's my throat. A big five figure estimate, and a house wash we did. I finished that roof cleaning of the roof I fell off of a couple weeks ago. So that was, come on, Gia, get down. Gia, come on. Up, down. Gia, down. Anyway, watch the video, guys. All right, we finished up the roof that I fell off of. We're here. I got the proper ladder. So the rule of thumb is if, say this is 20 feet, right? I think it's a little more, but for every 5 feet you go up, for every 4 feet you go up, you got to be 1 foot out. So 20 foot up means you got to be 5 foot out down here to get away from the structure. So 20 feet up, 5 foot out. I got Anthony doing some surface cleaning. So yeah, the roof came out good. So here's another tip. So we're keeping everything that comes off this section going that way, this section coming this way, right? Keeping all this wet right now. And what we're doing is we'll get everything wet and then we'll throw water on top of the roof just a little bit to dilute it down, but it not really drip much. Then go back to rinsing everything, then throw a little more water. Just doing this estimate here. It's a big building. It's 3 stories on some spots, and it goes all the way around. Some rust, all these sidewalks too. But yeah, the best thing to do in these types of situations, got a lot of rust right here, is you just break it up piece by piece. I mean, looking at this, it's definitely a little overwhelming when you first look at stuff like this, but you just gotta break it down. Think of it as a bunch of, smaller buildings put together. Just really think about how long it'll take you to do each section, and then add it all together. I'm gonna be sealing this up for them too. I'm gonna give them a little quote on this. But yeah, we're just washing this house. You can see the dirt build up on the bottom of the gutters. Up there. Let's take a walk around. Let me grab my, just gonna grab some tape for, and then we'll just tape up anything. Yeah, we'll knock all that down. Yeah. He's got a dog. But yeah, see all these dirt daubers, that kind of stuff will have to come off. What I'll do is probably just brush around that, and then I can wash these corners. But you want to brush that stuff. Alright, so these dirt daubers right here, I downstreamed this house, put some Red Raider on them, and it helped with most of them up in these nooks and crannies, these dirt daubers you get. But a little trick I use is I take my gutter stick, and this is the scoop section of it. I wrap a microfiber around it, put a little clamp on there, and put it on my pole. And that little scoop makes a good like crevice, gets into crevices really well. And then you just wrap the microfiber. Hard to do one-handed. And then, so it's pretty much all gone now. I wiped it in, and then you just come back, hit it with your trigger. Hold on, there's another one over here too. Let me do for you guys. You know, I downstreamed this with Red Raider and got most of the dirt daubers, but there's always those few. And there's those little nestings too that this works on. So, see there. This is easier to do one-handed, obviously. And then when I come back with the water, it'll be all good. There you go. Good is good. Let's go rinse that other one. So yeah, this is the gutter stick, and that's the scoop. I just wrap the microfiber, and it holds the solution on there, Red Raider in this case, and it just holds it in there like a mop, and then it's wrapped around the scoop. Yeah, wrapped around that part. So just wrap it around and clip it with one of these spring clamps. And you just get up in the crevices and it holds the solution. No matter what you're using, it'll hold it pretty well. We just washed this house. All them dirt daubers and mud nests and sticker bugs all got knocked down. The gutters went from green to being bright white. Second story up there got washed. Windows, looks good. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a like and a thumbs up. Subscribe, comment below. Hit that notification bell so you get alerted whenever we make a video. If you have any questions, you can comment below or join the Entrepreneur Army group, Facebook group. People are always there, on there, always ready to answer questions, help out. You can ask questions, help people, whatever you want to do. It's a free program. Just make sure you answer the questions. The moderators on there that we have, you know, they want to see that you're at least putting in a little effort to join the group. We don't just accept everybody, so make sure you answered a few questions. It's completely free, and it's a good way to network and learn a bunch of stuff. Also, you know, people are always asking me where I get things. I have some links in the description of Amazon that I've gotten things off there. If you're interested there, I put them all. I took the time to put all the links down there for you. So I got 2 videos coming up right here and here. I'll catch you guys on the next one, all right? Thank you for the support. See you next